Okay, so hi guys, what's up? And welcome to this next video. Okay, I'll try to explain stuff as much as I can. I mean, I would only go up until a limit, but I'll try to keep it as fair as possible. So this is option alpha. This is connected to my Trader account. I can log in my Trader account. It's just that the Trader PNL thing is a little tricky because even if I'll open the account, it would show $1,300 as PNL and only updates the next day after the settlement, the real PNL. Okay. Then we have IBKR. On this, we made about 1.6K, so that is $1,600. This is just expired instruments. So this is just aftermarket expired instruments. So again, it's a little tricky with the way the US market works. So yeah, and then we have Tasty Trade. On Tasty Trade, year to date PNL is about $1,025 because yesterday we had a 20 no, yesterday we had a $200 loss, and then today we have a $1,200 gain. So total overall we have a year to date balance of like PNL of $1,000 on a $5,000 account. Again, all these accounts are very small accounts. This is what my trades were. Okay. So I think this was yesterday and this was today. Okay. And for Thinkorswim, which is Schwab, we have an $850 year to date PNL. Okay. And we had so this shows as a $300 PNL day. It was just that yesterday we were on $100 loss. So today we had a plus 300 day. And overall we had a positive $220 day. And then the last week we made $600 on this account. So this week we made about $220 on this account. Okay. So I've just given a very small, like simple, like very small, fast summary of these accounts. But let me just go through them. This account has somewhere close to approximately $40,000. This one has only this one was only put up with 2,000. Okay, this one I'm only running DCs. I'm only running overnight positions, so I don't need a very high capital. Okay, for intraday trade in US, you need very high capital. I'll explain that part in a bit. But this is my overnight account, so I don't need much capital, right? So that's why it was only started with $2,000. It was only a test account, and I'm just running it. If the drawdown hits, I'll just add capital. I'm trying to fund it to somewhere close to 10K, right? And on this account, we added about $1,000 extra, but I'm not sure why they have freezed those $1,000, so we're not able to ask. We're not able to use them right now, but eventually probably will be. I'm not sure if you can actually see the screen because it's like very small. Probably for you guys, I'm not sure how it works because my monitor is a little big, so it often gets a little tricky. Okay. So yeah, and Tasty Trade, this is just a $5,000 account. We just started it to test out some stuff. We have $1,000 gain. We will use this account, but I'm not going to use this account probably this week. So today is Friday, so I'll not use it today. I'll probably use it again in probably somewhere close to Tuesday or something. I'll start using this account. That's what my target date is. Let's see the kind of strategy we're doing on this today. I would not do it because the max loss on that strategy is somewhere close to 700 $800 a day, and it's more of an intraday strategy. So intraday strategies require about $25,000 worth of balance in US market. That's the minimum PDT rule. If you go to ChatGPT and you just search PDT rule, you should get the essence of it, what it is. Okay, so this is the pattern day trading rule. Yeah. So I would suggest that this is basically the thing, right? You need at least $25,000 in margin to be able to use this. Okay. Yeah, so that's the case. The with the intraday trading account, so this one has somewhere close to 40K. This IBKR account has $42,000. Right. So then there's one more. There's one more ID, just not in use. Okay. So there's one more account that's just not in use. That has something close to um 13,000. That's how my total comes up to 100K. So that money is just kept so that if this account falls in terms of capital, then I'll just add it, or that money would be used on TradeStation. So I have my TradeStation account coming up. So I'm running all the strategies that I wanted to. I'm not sure what I'll run on TradeStation, to be very frank. So um, let's see how that works. But yeah, this is a small glimpse of what so far, I mean, I'm being able to get. I was thinking about just using the camera. Fine, let be there. Yeah. So overall, net to net, what do I want to say? So look, this is where we at. I had a fantastic day yesterday, but overall, up until now, I have not done very well in US market. Like we've been positive, but we have not been very positive. Okay, so percentage wise, it might not be that much, but I feel like if we just keep continuing and if we just keep matching the back test, which is like the main deal, you have to just keep matching the back test. If that's what happens, I believe we can do very well in US market. And so far we've been matching the back test and the back test look good. Okay. So yeah, this is like a I just want to give like a very small so far what's been happening in the US market kind of a glimpse. I think this account, the IBK, this one is up somewhere close to two thousand, $3,000. Um, t- IBK account is new. It started today, and these two accounts you already know it's up like 850, and that one Tasty Trade is up like $1,000. So not much really. We have not much like made like crazy money or anything like that, but so far it's fine. I mean, let's see what happens from now. At least yesterday gave us a small uh, profit buffer. I'm not sure how long that profit buffer would stay, but let's see. We did in the middle. I was up like $6,000 in 2 weeks or something, and then we got a good drawdown of about $4,500 or something. Now the capital has almost doubled when we were in the drawdown. So let's see how it goes. I mean, it's a little tricky. But yeah, I'm maintaining a sheet. Okay. Um, I believe I can share the sheet with you guys. So the sheet only consists of two accounts. One is the Trader account and one is the Schwab account. And it contains everything from PNL to everything. So this is the sheet. I might just link the sheet on to the bottom of this YouTube channel. Um, this does not include IBKR and the other one. So what I'll just do is I'll make a new sheet and I'll just add all my accounts and I'll just put every day's PNL over here. Also to verify this, if someone wants to verify, I mean, if someone is really going to do any business with me, then I would definitely go do like verify them and all. But for every retail trader, like if I just start showing my back office to every single one, it's gonna take a lot of time, right? You're gonna need to log in into each one of these, and then you need to like individually get in touch with them, individually get on an any desk or get on something like that, and then show them accounts. I don't think that's really productive, right? So I wouldn't want to do that. But yeah, I guess this is it for the video. I just wanted to give you guys a brief of what's happening and what's going on with my US trading. And let me know in the comments what you want to know. Don't ask me stuff like, okay, how to trade US markets from India. You can't do that. Okay, it's not possible. You have to have a foreign person living in a foreign country operated for you and just you just being the trader. I'm just being the trader. I'm technically just employed by them. I don't have any of my personal money put it up to this. Okay, no bank transfer, you won't find anything. I've not put in any money. So yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye, peace.